How long has she been here?
Oh, years. But these you have to be really careful when you're putting in and out of the cage because they're so fast. They'll shoot out, and you got to make sure the doors are closed or they'll be gone. You know, they're just so fast. They're like rockets when they fly.
That's awesome.
Spraying her just cools her down.
Yeah, she's a beautiful girl.
It's not something you see every day. Just walk up and see.
This is Dakota.
This Dakota, I saw that he was out of his cage and out of his home.
She's going for a walk. We'll feed her and put her up.
Really? So you take her for walks and just let her get out in the nature like this, and then what happened to her that
she's missing an eye. When she was in the nest, a twig or a sibling, something injured her eye, got infected. And Busch Gardens tried to save it, but they couldn't. They ended up taking it.
Oh.
So she lives here now.
She's beautiful. She seems to be very comfortable with you.
Yeah, I get to come. I hold her every week. This is my girl.
So Lynn and I are out at the Turtle Park in Largo, Florida today. Wasn't on our list of things to do right now, but we're really glad we came. The turtles are pretty cool, but all the raptors, the birds of prey, are just phenomenal creatures. Wow, Dakota, that's really awesome. Why do you hold your bone in your mouth like that, Maggie?
To be a kid again.